What's up, guys? It's me. We are here. We are going to get some content in for you guys today. Yes, is the GoPro at a good angle? I hope it is. So today we're going to be going getting some jumps, getting some content. Comment down below if you guys want to see me do some tripod edits. Set the tripod up and film us hitting some big jumps. Today I'm riding by myself, so you're just gonna be seeing me riding. So let's get this, and Riker might come out in his little razor. I'm not sure though. So just keep posted for that. And if this video gets to let's say 150 views, we will make this video in wheelies. We'll make wheelies, huge jumps, and really good videos. And we are going to get I'm getting a microphone for my GoPro, so the videos will be a lot better. And yeah, so I just made a video, but actually my GoPro is in time lapse, which is really weird. I don't like it, but it's fine because I saw a deer, so I was like, oh man, this would have been cool if I could have got this actually on video. But whatever. So let's get some content and let's get this, guys. This hill no justice. This is pretty steep. Woo! Yeehaw! I was riding this yesterday. Seen it to make a pretty good video. And I think it's gonna. So yeah. Like that, hopefully. Pretty steep hill, actually. Alright guys, sorry about that. I had to adjust with the camera because actually I just had probably about 10 minutes of riding and I was just taking a picture the whole time. So I was talking to literally no one. So yeah, let's see if now we can actually do this. Alright, let's go. This is the new trail. Right there we normally see deer poop right there. So. This is pretty fun right now, guys. hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Please like and subscribe. Please. Not gonna force you to do anything, but if you like the videos, please like and subscribe. It's gonna take a different way. Woo! This is a snowboard trail, guys. We go down this. You'll see some content on this year. Woo! Camera does this one no justice. This one's pretty steep. You know what, guys? I think I'm gonna climb it for you. Yeah, I'll climb it. Whatever. Okay, guys, please like and subscribe because I'm about to climb this hill. This is gonna be insane. Let's get this. Thank you so much for watching. This was a good video. It was an adventure. Please like and subscribe. I know I've already said it 100 times. I really want to hit 500 subscribers so we can get that giveaway out to you guys. And guys, just a guy who's really been helpful to our YouTube channel. His name is Riley Richardson. He is amazing. Like, he's like made all of our videos like he hasn't made them all possible, but like he's helped us. He's made the giveaway website and everything, and like he just bought us tripods for all of our things that we're gonna do in the future for like setting it up. So it's so awesome, guys. Go follow him on Instagram. His thing will be right here. So let's get this, guys. Peace out. See you in the next vlog.